What if I told you that a silent spinning machine hidden inside your fan, blender, water pump, electric car, and even your smartphone vibration system is performing a kind of invisible magic every second? Think about it. You press a button, and suddenly a fan starts spinning. You turn on a water pump, and water rushes through pipes. You step on the accelerator of an electric car, and it shoots forward. But here's the mystery. Electricity cannot spin. Electricity is just moving electrons. So how does something invisible become a powerful rotating force capable of moving tons of metal? The answer lies in one of the most brilliant inventions ever created, the electric motor. And once you understand how it works, you'll never look at your household appliances the same way again. An electric motor converts electrical energy into mechanical motion. In simple terms, it turns electricity into movement. Imagine holding two magnets. As you bring them close together, you notice something interesting. Sometimes they attract each other. Sometimes they push away. This invisible force between magnets is the secret behind every electric motor. Electric motors use magnetic forces to create continuous rotation. A basic electric motor has three important parts: a stator, a rotor, and a power source. The stator is the stationary part that creates a magnetic field. The rotor is the rotating part attached to a shaft. The power source supplies electricity to make everything work. Think of the stator as the pusher and the rotor as the runner. The amazing power of electromagnets. Now here's where things get really interesting. When electricity flows through a wire, it creates a magnetic field around that wire. Wrap the wire into a coil, and the magnetic field becomes much stronger. This coil now behaves like a magnet. Scientists call it an electromagnet. Unlike ordinary magnets, electromagnets can be switched on and off instantly by controlling the electricity flowing through them. This ability is what makes electric motors possible. How rotation begins. Imagine a rotor placed between two magnetic poles. The moment electricity flows into the motor, magnetic forces appear. One side of the rotor is attracted. The other side is repelled. These forces create a twisting action called torque. Torque is the force that makes objects rotate. Just like pushing a merry-go-round causes it to spin, magnetic forces push the rotor and make it turn. But there is a problem. After rotating halfway, the rotor would normally stop. So how does it keep spinning? The motor constantly changes the direction of the magnetic field. Every time the rotor reaches a certain position, the magnetic poles switch. The side that was attracting now repels. The side that was repelling now attracts. As a result, the rotor is continuously pushed around in circles. It's like having someone run behind a bicycle and push it at exactly the right moment over and over again. The motor repeats this process hundreds or thousands of times every second. That's why the rotor keeps spinning smoothly. Think about a ceiling fan. When you switch it on, electricity flows into the motor hidden inside the fan housing. The motor creates rotating magnetic fields. These magnetic fields continuously pull and push the rotor. The rotor spins the fan blades. The blades move air around the room. Without the electric motor, the fan would simply be a collection of plastic blades hanging from the ceiling. Electric cars take it to another level. Now imagine scaling that same principle up dramatically. Instead of spinning fan blades, the motor spins wheels. Electric vehicles use powerful motors that generate enormous torque. This is why many electric cars accelerate so quickly. The same basic idea that spins your table fan is also capable of moving a 2-ton vehicle down the road. That's the incredible power of electric motors. Electric motors are found in fans, washing machines, refrigerators, air conditioners, water pumps, power tools, electric scooters, elevators, drones, electric vehicles. In fact, if a device needs movement, there's a good chance an electric motor is doing the work behind the scenes. Every time you hear a fan humming, feel your phone vibrate, or watch a washing machine spin, you're witnessing an invisible battle of magnetic fields. Electric motors don't use explosions like car engines. They don't burn fuel. They simply use the elegant interaction between electricity and magnetism to create motion. And that's what makes the electric motor one of the most important inventions in human history. A machine that turns invisible electricity into powerful movement and quietly powers the modern world. Now the next time you switch on a fan or charge an electric vehicle, remember, inside that machine, Magnetic forces are constantly attracting, repelling, and dancing with each other to create motion. And all of it begins with something as simple as a flow of electrons.